Hello friends, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make Jeera biscuits. Alright, so this is one tablespoon of jeera or cumin. These are roasted cumins, so we will go ahead and crush it. So I'll just take a flat surface and crush it with a rolling pin. Not need to powder it, just so if you are roasting it like this now, so if you are roasting it, the crushing will be very easy. So okay, now it is crushed well and nice. I'm going to take it and place it back in the bowl. Let's start with our recipe. Our jeera or the cumin is crushed well and nice. We'll go ahead and start with our recipe. Now take a larger bowl. Into it add about 1.5 cups of Maida or all-purpose flour and a half cup. Into it we will be adding about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we will add the crushed cumin seeds, roasted and crushed. Whisk all the dry ingredients well. Keep this aside. Take a bowl. Into it add about half cup of butter, softened butter. Now into the softened butter, we will add about 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. Now we will whisk both of them very nicely till it turns nice and creamy. This is going to take a lot of time, say about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or till it turns very well and creamy. If you have an electric whisk, please go ahead and use that. There, it has become nice and creamy. You can see it has become very nice and creamy. There you go. I waited for exactly 10 minutes. The flour mix which we have made, we are going to straight away pour in and fold in gently. To gently knead this by adding little by little milk into it. Alright, now I'm just going to use my hands. Alright, now our cookie dough is ready. Let us go ahead and flatten it with the help of a rolling pin and cut it into pieces into a small thickness, about 1/4 inch thickness. Okay, while we are making the shapes of the cookie, we will go ahead and heat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. That is, preheat the oven. Now I'm going to divide the dough into about two equal parts and just roll it with the hand. We will use a parchment paper and then I'm going to roll the cookie dough. Just place it one on the other. Use a rolling pin to roll it into 1/4 inch thickness. this is the desired thickness that we need. The more thickness you add, the more time the cookie will take to cook. So yeah, now more water. Just going to try some more thickness here. Just roll it out a little. Now, with the help of a cookie cutter, let's go ahead and give shapes to our cookies with the help of a cookie cutter. Alright, now our cookies are ready. Let us go ahead and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. So when you are placing the cookies, always give some space in between while baking the cookie. Give a little space. So I'll go ahead and bake it. Okay, now I kept it for 12 minutes. It has become nice and brown. Golden brown. If you want it crispy, you can keep it for another 3 minutes at 180 degree. We will allow it to cool a little and then take it in a wire rack here like this. You keep it for 2 minutes and then take it out. So I'm just going to take it out and place it on a wire rack. And then still a little hot. I'll just allow it to cool. It's smelling, it smells wonderful. It has got the flavor of jeera and it smells wonderful. Okay, after transferring in a wire rack, we will allow it to cool a bit. Let's try it out. There you go. Jeera cookies is now ready. You can actually if you want it too crispy, you can keep it for another 3 minutes. This has become nice and crispy. This has become nice and soft, yet delicious. Please do try it out. There you go. Our jeera biscuits are now ready to be served. Enjoy the jeera biscuits with a hot cup of tea. Dear friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also support me by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com.